Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and use ExpressVPN on Android, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download and install ExpressVPN on your Android device, start by opening the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type ExpressVPN and hit enter. Locate the official ExpressVPN app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its detail page. Next, click on the install button to begin the download. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch. You will be greeted by the ExpressVPN welcome screen. Tap on Sign Up if you don't have an account yet. Follow the prompts to create your account. If you already have an account, tap on Login. Enter your email address and password, then tap the Sign In button. After logging in, you may be prompted to set up your VPN connection. Tap OK to grant the necessary permissions for the app. You might see a message about allowing ExpressVPN to set up a VPN connection. Tap OK to allow this. Once setup is complete, you will return to the main screen of the app. To connect to a VPN server, tap the large power button. You will see a list of locations to choose from. Select the location you want from the list. Once you have made your choice, the app will establish a secure connection. When the connection is successful, the power button will turn green. You are now connected to the VPN. To change servers, simply tap the power button again and select a different location. If you want to disconnect, tap the power button once more to turn off the VPN. You can now browse the internet securely and privately on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.